in this video I am going to show you how to clone apps on Vivo phones which is running on Funtouch OS. Open settings on your Vivo phone. Under settings you need to select apps, click on apps. Under apps you need to select app clone. Now it will show only the apps which supports app clone feature. If you want to clone Facebook, simply click on this button, it will clone the Facebook app. If you want to clone any other app, you can simply click on this button, it will clone that app. Now WhatsApp has been cloned. I can clone Instagram also, Snapchat. Like this you can clone any apps which supports app clone feature. Now go back to the home screen. When you swipe to the left or to the right, the cloned apps will be shown Roman digit 2 before the name. Here you can see that Roman digit 2 Snapchat, if you can see properly. Whereas normal Snapchat doesn't have a button on top of the logo, whereas cloned app will have a small circle with a white spot. So that's it guys. In this way you can clone apps on Vivo phones which is running on Funtouch OS 13. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.